morning. We are 1 hour in to a hike up in the Lord's Range. We're going to do a Munro Meall Nan Tarmachan. Today I'm out with Robert, Frank, Paul and wee Paddy the dog. And I say we're in the Clag, as usual, we're in the Clag. We might do the ridge, we don't know, we'll decide how conditions are at the summit. Conditions down here are not too bad at all. There's wee patches of ice, most of the snow and ice is all melted. So I'll bring you back further along.
So much easier to put on the trampoline, by the way.
This has got our spikes in that one. Weather's deteriorated a wee bit of ice and snow still on the ground up here, so spikes on, safety first. Weather conditions, wind's up, still in a Clag, the wind's really cold. Second ridge. Decided to go along to the end to where the vast step is, and we'll probably just head back for there. Summit. Now heading back down the way we come up. So that's our first view of the day. Loch Tay up there. And we've got the Lord's Dam up there. That's just come at the cloud level. Suppose it was coming down behind. Nobody's seen him today. That's us done back at the car. Cracking hike, cracking walk today. We're all in, we'll 5.5 hours. I've just come up to the 7 mile mark. As I say, cracking day, thoroughly enjoyed it, good to meet up with the guys again. So if you managed to watch this far, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.